Kamusta ang Sembrek? Ano nga ba ang mga naging trip ko? Na maaaring trip mo, trip ko. Number 1, party. I recently went to a bar that was like my first time, and everyone was doing party. And I was like, oh darling, I will never be like that later. I will never be like that. I like on that part, and almost everyone is doing their cigarette thing, like blow it down and blow. Woo! And then suddenly may tawa yung babae sa stage, and she was like, blowing away. And all the boys started shouting like, take it out! Darling, this is not my thing. This is not my thing. This is not really my thing. So what I did, I go out, I go home, I go fix myself, I sleep. Number 2, music lover. Ever since the Sembrek started, I always sing my favorite songs like Unconditional, Venus. I can help the way I feel it. Got some love, take me to your leader. Got some love. Take me to your planet, take me to my planet, take me to your Venus. Baliw-baliwan! I can feel my heart beating in your head. My aura head, beating in the sand. Oh, not try. Ready, it's showtime. Number 4, normal life.
Kuya, ba't ka nga, kuya? Kuya, ano nangyayari sa'yo? Kuya! Kuya!
Number 4, dakilang. Jer, nakuha mo na kayong walis?
Ano ba yan?
Jer, yung walis, dali.
Ano ba yan eh?
Jer, yung walis, umawalis ako!
May ginagawa ako?
Kamata ka, tingin ako. Ikaw kanina pa rin sa tingin ha? Magkakawalis ka na lang ang lahat sa baba ka tayo! Number 6, dahil siyempre Kern, wala tayong choice kundi makipaglaro sa mga bata. Girls, try a pose! More! Sexier! Papi dyan! Papi ka dyan! Isa kang bahay sa aming ano, balakit ka sa aming kabakalaan. 7, I go to gym, to look hot, to stay fit, and to be healthy like I'm so bored right now, I'm so bored! 8, get on your feet, get on your feet, get on and get on. Ang bilis na ka ng instructor! Tips na first step. Alam mo, ang bilis-bilis naman ang mga step. Doon, mga dapat mong gawin tabor ka na. Kumanta nang hindi minibuksan ang bunganga. I love you, unconditionally. Pero make sure na may ngipin ka bago mo gawin ang mga yan. Papakin ang peanut butter. Che, bakit ka ng peanut butter? Balik na ito doon. Ilagay ang asukal sa tubig at gawing nilaga at ibilad sa araw para maging asukal ulit. Jane, ba ng asukal dyan?
Kuya, wala na tayong asukal.
Eh, di wala. So stand up now, goodbye, and make. Wala akong ibang masabi sa Sembrek ko kundi masaya, malungkot at nga. Bongga, ikaw, paano nirampa ang Sembrek mo? Comment below at ang LC Fan of the Week, I see JP.
Honey, honey,